When embarrassment gets to you, you turn away. A Cybertruck driver was seen stuck on a logging road struggling to go uphill. Cybertruck owners specifically are in a very heavily armored echo chamber that polices negative results as the user's fault. Anyone will get disappointed when these morons suddenly find common sense when their truck won't go off-road. Look at the wheels and tires he thought would be a good idea to use off-road. The wheels are spinning trying to go back down the trail. There's absolutely no reason that thing needs to go any further up the trail. To give credit where it's due, recognizing your vehicle's limits is an important ability when off-roading. People get themselves in trouble by carrying on and only digging themselves in deeper, making it even harder to get out. So while it's disappointing, in that respect, that driver absolutely did the right thing.